The dog. So-called man's best friend. But what is it about them that has put them so high up in our minds? In ancient Egypt, cats were gods, and still are, if you ask a few people. Nobles and kings in Europe were buried with their beloved animals. So in spite of all this competition, how have dogs been able to rise so high up on our ladder of respect? Well, believe it or not, real chemistry can answer that question in a way you probably won't be expecting. The three main chemicals we'll be talking about are oxytocin, dopamine, and vasopressin. Oxytocin is the hormone responsible for the formation of social and affectionate bonds, giving it the nickname the cuddle hormone. It's also produced by all mammals and is found in especially high levels in dogs, which could account for their affectionate personalities. Now, dopamine is a neurotransmitter. It's similar in distribution to oxytocin. They're both controlled by a positive feedback mechanism, meaning that distribution triggers a chemical reaction calling for more of the hormone to be released. Dopamine is not only responsible for the feeling of happy, but it's associated with unexpected reward. Dopamine rewires the brain to interpret certain activities as pleasurable, such as eating, so you'll continue doing them. Technically, this means your brain interprets petting a dog as a necessary action. But vasopressin is the key player in our strength of our bonds with our pets. Vasopressin in some animals is the hormone that wires the brain for monogamy, and mostly invokes a strong feeling of trust. These three hormones working together essentially invoke feelings of love, and who better to direct them towards than your loyal companion?
Do the physical needs of an animal companion cause you to have to go outside, causing a chemical reaction that is beneficial both emotionally and physically? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yes. If you want to find out more about this or any other chemistry questions you might have, visit chemistryislife.com.